The terrain is so variable that it's hard to find your rhythm. Couple this with the fact that you're well exposed to the scorching Korean sun, and even the most skilled and experienced hikers could get a little frustrated on this hike.
Just got done climbing a peak called 1275, but it sucked. It was just so steep. It was like 50-degree slopes, rock slopes the whole way up, and you had to use ropes and metal railings to help yourself along, but it took a very long time and it hurt.
전 세계 유명산만 골라오르는 영국인이 설악산 앞에서 처음으로 이 말을 남겼습니다. 그런데 이 외국인 힘들다고만 하지 않았습니다.
That we were treated to a beautiful sunset, and what made it really magical was that everyone in the shelter watched it together. It really gave me another feel for that concept of Jung, as we were all united by our mutual experience in getting here, and we're now reaping the same rewards.
오늘 소개해드릴 주인공은 영국 출신 여행 유튜버입니다. 유럽, 아시아, 남미를 넘나들며 각국의 유명산을 직접 발로 오르며 등산 문화를 비교해온 베테랑 여행자이죠. 그런 그가 이번에 선택한 곳이 바로 설악산이었습니다.
This is probably going to take me a bit longer because this is one of the steepest sections in the park that I'm going to follow up to the shelter. Additionally, I'm carrying a very heavy backpack for all my water, food, spare clothes because it's going to be very cold tonight.
설레는 마음으로 시작했지만 설악산은 처음부터 만만하지 않았습니다.
Okay, here we go. This is what it's going to be like the rest of the way up. Look at these stone steps. This is what I've come to know and not love of Korean hiking, but more accept of Korean hiking. But check these out. This is going to be what I imagine the trail is like for the rest of the way up.
그렇게 땀을 흘리며 도착한 산 중턱 대피소. 이 외국인이 전혀 예상하지 못한 장면이 기다리고 있었습니다.
Shelter to get some food and lunch and take a little water break, and these nice men have given me these guys have given me some gimbap, so thanks very much. 감사합니다. As I've said before, little interactions like that really make this trip, and I'm so thankful for that gimbap. How nice is that, just sharing food? I have heard that as Korean culture to share food when you're hiking, and I swear there's a word for it, but it's escaped me. So if you know, let me know in the comments. But it's so nice, just a nice culture of sharing food, and yeah, a nice bit of community. Now I've just been given a coffee. How nice. 감사합니다.
처음 보는 외국인에게 김밥을 건네고 커피까지 쥐어준 한국 등산객들. 영국 산에서는 평생 경험하기 힘든 장면이죠. 이게 바로 우리나라에서만 볼 수 있는 한국 등산 문화의 정 아닐까요?
You know what, you'll arrive at Yeongpuk Shelter, where if you stop for lunch, you might get to experience Jung, a Korean cultural concept that describes feeling connected to someone through shared experience, even as strangers. Some extra rations so that you can return the favor. This is an incredibly heartwarming experience and definitely helps bring you back down to earth through the appreciation of community.
지금 보고 계신 이야기가 따뜻하게 느껴지셨다면 구독과 좋아요로 채널을 응원해주세요.
And it's nothing but long metal staircases, steep stone steps, and no mercy. It's the kind of climb that tests your legs and your mindset.
Whew, right, warm. It's been about an hour since we left the last shelter, and we're almost at the next shelter, which I believe is called the Huon Gak shelter. But we have been climbing on this rocky path. It's really hard to tell on camera, but it is steep. It is about, I don't know what the grade would be, somewhere between 35 and 25, probably 30. But it's steep and it's relentless, and I'm actually enjoying it. It's not bad.
5시간을 버텨낸 끝에 드디어 정상이 눈앞에 펼쳐졌습니다.
We've reached the second shelter and we're 5 hours in, so we're exactly on schedule because we've got another 2 hours of climbing to do to reach our shelter. So if anything, we're actually an hour ahead of schedule, but I think by the time I make it to the shelter,
Section is pretty boring because as you climb up a ridge to reach Daechongbong, all you have to look at is the next step in front of you, as the surrounding trees are so thick that they block any views except for in a few select places. From there though, it's a very easy walk to the peak before we head to Sochong Shelter, where we'll spend the night.
Here we go. We're seconds away from reaching the top. $1,708 meters. It's a bit windy. Woo! My dinner, I sat and watched sunset with a couple of the guests here. It was really serene. It was cool to see everyone just focused on the one thing too.
This is my room for tonight, and it is only 9 p.m.
And everyone is already sleeping, apart from that one guy on his phone. So I'm going to do the exact same and hope to get up at around 5 or so.
그런데 진짜 시련은 그 다음 날이었습니다. 한국에서 가장 힘든 코스라 불리는 공룡릉이 기다리고 있었거든요.
The terrain is so variable that it's hard to find your rhythm. Couple this with the fact that you're well exposed to the scorching Korean sun, and even the most skilled and experienced hikers could get a little frustrated on this hike.
Just got done climbing a peak called 1275, but it sucked. It was just so steep. It was like 50-degree slopes, rock slopes the whole way up, and you had to use ropes and metal railings to help yourself along, but it took a very long time and it hurt.
전 세계산을 누벼온 이 여행자도 난생 처음 겪는 수준이었습니다. 결국 하산길 벤치에서 그냥 잠들어 버렸습니다.
I found a small bench beside this sign and decided to sit down. 20 minutes later, I opened my eyes to this view. Turns out my mind was willing to continue, but my body was not.
I just had a wee snooze on a bench under a tree there, and it was delightful. It was great to take the weight off my feet. So don't be afraid to have your own little snooze if you come here, because I've seen a lot of Koreans do it too. So when in Rome.
그리고 힘겨운 하산 마지막 길. 이번엔 오렌지가 왔습니다. 김밥, 커피에 이어 세 번째였습니다.
So in another mark of Korean hospitality, I've been given a huge big orange. This is only 1/4 obviously, but the rest is in front of me. I can't get over it. So nice.
김밥, 커피, 오렌지 그리고 낯선 사람들과 함께 본 일몰. 영국 최고봉 벤 네비스 어디에서도 없는 장면들이죠. 한국 산이기에 가능한 것들 아닐까요?
Officially out of water. This cave is going to take it out of me. It's quite high. That was a real struggle to get up these stairs, but look what's at the top. It's a small Buddhist shrine. Check this out. This was a cool little find, but it's time to get down this mountain and get me.
힘들수록 더 따뜻해지는 나라. 전 세계 산을 오른 이 여행자가 설악산에서 가장 깊이 가져간 건 정상의 풍경이 아니라 낯선 사람이 건넨 김밥 한 줄이었습니다.
Yes, I can easily see why Seoksan is considered South Korea's most beautiful national park, and I would love to return here in the autumn when it's at its most beautiful.
우리에게는 너무 당연한 나눔의 문화가 이 외국인에게는 평생 잊지 못할 순간이 됐을 겁니다. 여러분은 등산 중 낯선 분께 음식을 나눠준 경험이 있으신가요? 댓글로 편하게 남겨주세요. 시청해주셔서 진심으로 감사드립니다.
Only about an hour into this trail and it is already more scenic. Look how beautiful this is.
I advise you to savor the views because it does not get any easier from here, and honestly, I can't say that the views get much better.